Okay, we are about to head off. This weekend's mission is we are going to Nimbin and then we're going to Stradbroke or Moreton Island. Let's go. About an hour in, fuel stop, going good. Stuck behind the Sootmaster 5000. Welcome to Nimbin. Alright, we are done in Nimbin. Got a coffee and just had a look through the shops. Pretty cool place. Now we're off to Stratty. It looks like rain's coming. Weather's not the greatest, but doesn't matter. You make fun. Let's go. Taken a little side track and it's led us into a state forest. It's pissing down rain, so we are gonna continue on now, head to Stradbroke. Got to get some groceries and stuff on the way, but cars are looking good. Let's continue on, get out of this rain. So we're driving through the mountains and we just found this little place, little pit stop. There's a waterfall. It's still raining, but we thought we'd have a look. We've seen a wild pig, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I think we're going to go do a bit of a walk now and see that waterfall, if we can. Okay, we just arrived at camp. We accidentally missed the barge, so over to Stradbroke. So we've found a little camp not far by. This is our little setup. Simple for the night, so we're going to get our bed set up, get everything organised, and yeah, see you in the morning. I might end the vlog there and do another one tomorrow separate for Stradbroke. Thanks for watching. And la de verede.